Hello everyone, Luke here from 3D Tudor. Today, I'm excited to introduce you the Stronghold Tables and Chairs Pack, a rugged, stylized asset collection that's perfect for filling out medieval castles, dungeon corridors, and fortress interiors. This pack was created by Dale from Hegland 3D as part of our Starving Artists campaign, an initiative designed to support talented 3D artists around the world by giving them a platform to showcase their work and earn a fair share of revenue. When you purchase this pack, you're not only picking up some top tier assets, you're directly helping independent artists grow and thrive in the creative industry. We've already featured some incredible packs through this campaign, like the recent 3D Tudor modular post-apocalyptic hideout, which includes 57 stylized props perfect for building rusted, abandoned bunkers or rooftop survival camps. Every release supports an artist directly, and this one is no exception. You might already know Dale from his earlier release, the Stylized Medieval Tables and Chairs Pack, which focused more on a warm, tavern-style interiors. That one had a cozy, story-rich vibe perfect for village feasts and lively inns. With this new Stronghold pack, Dale takes things in a bolder direction, delivering assets that feel heavy, fortified, and full of presence. Inside the pack, you'll find 10 unique tables and 10 distinctive chairs, ranging from battle-worn stools to throne-like seats. All assets are textured with 2048 stylized PBR maps, featuring weathered wood, dark metal, and stone textures that give each piece a bold, medieval character. This asset pack comes fully loaded with everything you need to get started right away. A complete Blender file set with an organized asset library, an Unreal Engine 5 setup for easy integration, a GLB file with linked textures for web or real-time use, plus FBX and high-quality PNG textures for maximum compatibility across pipelines. Everything is optimized for performance, so whether you're working in Blender, Unreal Engine, Unity, or another platform, these models are lightweight, modular, and easy to use in both real-time projects and high-quality renders. And if you're a 3D artist yourself and want to get involved in Starving Artist campaign, definitely check out our Discord community. We're always looking to collaborate with new talent and help bring more awesome work into the world, while making sure the artists behind it get the recognition and revenue they deserve. As always, if you enjoyed this, drop a like and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what you're working on. I love seeing your creations and can't wait to check out how you use this pack, which, again, I'd love to see it on our Discord page. Until next time everyone, happy modeling!